I feel sad about all the animals who died.
I feel mad and sad.
I feel sad and mad and very disappointed.
I feel sad for all the animals that have died.
I feel mad because an explosion happened and all the oil fell out of the boat, and I'm really mad.
I feel bad for the people who lost their jobs.
I feel angry that people lost their jobs when the oil spill happened.
I feel sad that the animals died. I feel sad because animals are now starting to be extinct and most of the people lost their jobs.
We are Team Roll.